Okay, I don't know why the camera cut out, because the battery is still good, but it tends to do that. It's like it's got its own timer or something. But I'll have to look into that. Or get another camera. I reset everything so that hopefully now we're going to do this. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it's resetting things because I switched it all back to the old settings so that I could demonstrate, show more options. Yes, got to show more options to get to management now. Manage. Okay. Got to click on Device Manager. Okay. And I should have my yellow triangle back, and there it is. There's my yellow triangle. Intel Turbo Boost Maximum Technology driver. Now, if you don't want to go into the BIOS and you want your Intel Turbo Boost technology to still show, here's what you do. You go into your Windows security. Okay? Following this? I'm going to show you this because this is my discovery. Now, if you do this, you do it at your own risk. I want to point that out to you. Alright? But this is after almost 2 years of fighting, this is what I discovered. Left click on this, and you go into core isolation. So what is this? This is device security. So Windows security, device security, core isolation details, memory integrity. This is going to blow you away. You turn off memory integrity. Of all things. This change requires you to restart your device. Okay, so we're going to restart. Yes. Now memory integrity is turned off. Now what memory integrity has to do with this, I have no clue. Like, I was just fiddling around. But I don't know if this is going to work on the X299 platform, but it definitely works on the X99 platform. And pardon my bad cold. Nose is dripping like a faucet. And anyway. Alright. Here we go. Moment of truth. Notice I don't even have a sign-in on this. Okay, this is all experimental. This is all, you know. Alright. So, now, it's doing all this kind of device thing. It's really busy. You can tell by the fan, the server fan that I have running there. Okay. Now, show more options, because that's how you got to get to Device Manager from this PC on Windows 11, instead of just clicking on the icon and immediately getting there. Alright, where do we see it? Oh, what do you know? It's still... Wow, you see, now, that is funny, because on the Windows X99, you disable this memory integrity, and oh, look at this. Device security, go to settings. Memory integrity is off. Your device may be vulnerable. Okay, you don't get this on the X99 platform. You don't get that. In core isolation, wow. Okay, so I guess we've got to turn it back on. That is interesting. Oh, now the memory integrity can't be turned on. try resolving any incompatibilities you have with your drivers. Dismiss. That is so funny. Now I can't turn it on. Scan again. It can't be turned on. That is so funny. I'm guessing that what's going to happen is I have to now do that other thing. I have to do the MFC mode override now in order to run core isolation. Dismiss. Prevents attacks. But by turning this off, I could make that yellow triangle go away on the X99 platform. And I just wanted to see if I could do it on the X299 platform, but it does not appear that I can. Show more options. Manage. Device manager. That's amazing. It's still there. The Intel Turbo Boost nonsense is still there. So you cannot use that fix on the X299 platform, but you can on the X99 platform. I know because I've done it. So I guess I may as well restart the computer and re-enable the MFC override in the BIOS. Delete. So that I can just completely get rid of that. And I hope that it's not going to interfere with my overclocking, because I certainly mean to do some overclocking as well. So it's kind of interesting. All right, so advanced, if I remember correctly, and yeah, advanced again, if I remember correctly, and I believe it's CPU configuration. Scroll down and scroll down. Trying to remember where it is. CPU power management. And okay, MSC. Oh, override. So we're going to go back to OS native support. All right, exit. Save changes and reset. Okay, hopefully the nasty will be gone and I'll be able to keep my memory integrity going. But now that's so funny, I threw it off like that, where I could not put it back. I could not put it back. That's kind of interesting too. Of course, might have something to do with the fact that I'm using different memory. I don't know. But I thought that was interesting. I'm not too worried about it. But that fix does not work on X299 evidently. And on X99, it works. Okay? Now, you do it at your own risk if you're going to do it at all. But it's one way to make it go away on the X99 platform, because there's no way you don't have this MFC mode override on an X99 platform. So, all right. But I do want to point out that Intel dropped the ball on this, and so did Microsoft, because it's their operating system. It's your operating system, Microsoft. How your operating system responds to current hardware when you came out with your operating system, right? Oh, no, it's not properties. What am I thinking? It's not properties. How you came out, show more options. I got to go through all this nonsense. It's so annoying. Manage. Disk management. No, not disk management. Okay, I'm losing it here. I'm losing it here. Oh, look at this. Isn't this really weird? Did I kill something as a result? That is so funny. I killed it. Task manager. Okay. Show more options. Manage. I'm just going to leave all that in. I'm not cutting it. Device manager. There's no yellow triangle I can see here. No bang. It should be in system devices. And yeah, see, we don't see the Intel Turbo Boost technology, but we see Intel R Management Engine Interface, and I think that's what that is. Okay. I could be wrong, but I think that's what that is. Yeah. So it's clean, but now the real question is, will I be able to go into my, well, got a green check mark anyway, security, device security, got a green check mark there, core isolation details, oh, it's still off, turn it on. It's asking me if I want to make changes. I'm going to say yes. Okay. And now it can't be turned on. Oh, that is so funny. That is so... Okay. Advanced Micro Devices, Inc. AMD driver. Well, that's funny. It suddenly finds an AMD driver. Yeah, I had that in there a long time ago, but what's that got to do with the price rise of China? That's not what I'm using anymore. That's ridiculous. And that's the reason I can't turn it back on? That's bizarre. There's no TPM available. That is stupid. Because there is. There is. There is TPM. This is a TBMT3.0. Wow. I guess I shouldn't have done that, because now it's thinking all kinds of things that aren't the case. Okay, well, I'll deal with it later, but I just think that's really funny. I go and turn that core isolation business off, and right away there's, all of a sudden now it thinks there's no TPM. Check for new drivers. Your Intel drivers are up to date. And just because there's an AMD driver on here that is no longer being used, that's the reason? That's kind of bizarre, I would think. Core isolation. Well, now it says it's on. You see that? Now it says it's on. The details, okay, hold on. Yeah, that memory integrity is not on. Prevents attacks from inserting malicious code into high security processes. So, oh, I see. Turning it this way turns it off. Oh. I think I need to get some sleep. It looks like it's on. Well, no, it would say it's on, right? It would say it's on. If I went this way, that would put it on. Yeah. Yeah, see, because it says integrity can't be turned on. try resolving any incompatibilities with your drivers. Well, don't know what that has to do with the memory, but okay, control panel, open. Add a device. Devices and printers. No. No. I'm used to getting to different things differently. Uninstall a program. As media? No, that wouldn't be it. There's not a whole lot on here. That's hilarious. I don't see it. I don't see an AMD graphics driver here. It's giving it a problem. Well, I'll figure it out. It's minor. I got the TBMT gone. It's amazing. This PC does use TPM2. If it didn't, I would have gotten the warning before when I ran the compatibility check from Windows, and Windows congratulated me, telling me everything was Windows ready. So I don't know why it's saying weird stuff like that now, but yeah, one thing results in another thing, which results in another thing, and the bottom line is, people, Intel dropped the ball on this, right? And so did Microsoft, and that's why we've got this long domino effect of issue after issue after issue, because they didn't do their research. Neither did they care. Okay, that's the point. They didn't care. And now what they're hoping is this thing's going to be end of life soon. It's going to be swept under the rug, and everybody else is going to be left hanging who wants to use it. And there's more thousands and thousands of dollars wasted on very expensive workstation equipment for no good reason. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thank you again for watching. I just really wanted you to see this. I will get this going again, and God bless you. We'll be doing the I've got a big surprise coming to you. A big surprise coming from Great Britain. An import from Great Britain. Something that I couldn't really find in North America. Alright. Although it's supposed to be here. Alright. God bless you. Thanks for watching.